rallying at its best. While the WRC Championship is still on hold, all eyes turn to the Czech Championship as it continues with its second event, the ValMez Rally. And once again, rally fans were in for a treat, watching the intense battle for the first three places. ŠKODA Motorsport's factory crew of Jan Kopecký and Jan Hloušek in the ŠKODA Fabia Rally 2 Evo fought for first place with Václav Pech and the Ford Focus RS WRC. While Filip Maresch in another Fabia Rally 2 Evo competed for third place against Jan Černý and the Volkswagen Polo GTI Rally 2. Out of the 15 stages, Kopecký won 7, while Pech took 8 out of the best times. In 5 stages, their times were within 0.3 seconds of each other, and both drivers were on top of their game. It was close, but in the end, Jan Kopecký was second with the loss of 5.3 seconds on Václav Pech and his powerful Focus WRC.
Some stages were really nice, especially the forest ones. Lišná and third one, Bystrička, these 2 stages were just absolutely amazing. The car was perfect during whole rally, we didn't have any technical trouble. When I look back to all the stages, I cannot say that something we could do better.
At the end of the first day, Filip Maresch was less than a second ahead of Jan Černý, but after the first stage of the second day, they were sharing third place with exactly the same time. Maresch accepted the challenge and beat his competitor in 5 out of the 6 last stages and secured the third place by 5.9 seconds. Altogether, 7 out of the first 10 places were taken by crews in ŠKODA cars, thanks to Miroslav Jakeš, Petr Semerad, Albert von Thurnen Taxis, Jan Jelinek and Robert Adolf. But most importantly, it was a great rally to watch.